And dito guys, Banang, ito yung famous sa mga lutong bahay, pansit. Yun talaga yung Indian. So we're heading to MRT Shaw Boulevard Station. Yan. So this is Shaw Boulevard. Yan. Papunta doon. The other way around. I've been living in Mandaluyong for quite some times. Like 25 years. Hindi naman. Mga 20 years.